3, 2, 1, go. Hello and welcome back to another cubing video. So today I'm going to be riding across this river on a zip line while solving a Rubik's Cube before touchdown. So let's get right into it.
Are you recording the behind the scenes?
I just thought that this part was amusing and needed to be saved.
But before attempting the stunt, we had to set everything up, including temporarily converting my phone to a GoPro with near primitive supplies. First, I tried tying a string around a car vent holder that contained my phone and pulling it tight around my forehead.
This is what happens when you don't have a GoPro or GoPro mounts. You have to make your own contraption.
I ended up just biting down on the holder to keep it steady the whole way. It took a bit of trial and error, but it worked. Now to the zip line.
This is it. The zip line going across. Hopefully we can finish the cube by the time it gets over. Let's see what happens. Test subject number 1. I think I'm the second test subject.
Was he hiding in a bush?
Then he hid in a bush. Anyway, let's get right into the first attempt.
Ready? Ready. Feet are ready? 1, 2, 3.
Didn't get it. No good.
That didn't go so well, but here are the next 4 attempts at the same time.
3, 2, 1, go. I messed up. I messed up too.
Four moves away. I wasn't recording.
Rip.
I'm glad that didn't happen.
That would have been unfortunate.
This is the director. The director's very judgmental, so I must get it on this one take, supposedly. I mean, we'll see. I got this scramble from an automated scramble generator, so we'll see what happens.
Time for the 6th attempt.
3, 2, 1, go.
What? Go back.
You said go. You said go.
Okay, now time for the real 6th attempt.
3, 2, 1, go.
We did it!
Yeah! We can get that out now! I did it!
It's solved. Across the river. I'm still on the zip line thing.
Yay! That was solving cube across the river on a zip line. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Yay!